Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you another way of proving area of trapezium. So I am making the trapezium using a square and two congruent triangles. This is a four-sided figure and it has two parallel sides. So I can take this side as A and this side. So this trapezium is made up of a square and two congruent triangles. So we need to find out the area of these individual shapes. So first I am going to find out the area of the square, of this yellow square. So what do you think is the area of this yellow square? Yes, one side is B, so that means all sides are B. So its area is B square. And let's find out the area of the triangles. I can find out the area of one triangle and then multiply it by 2. For that we need to define the height of this trapezium. If the height is h, to find out the area of the triangle we need to know the length of its base as well. So here, with one thing which I observe is that this square is made up of these two triangles. If I keep these two triangles over the square, they completely cover it. So that means the area of these two triangles taken together is also equal to B square. So two triangles is also equal to B square. Now what is the area of the whole trapezium? That means, so area of trapezium which is made up of a triangle and of a square and two triangles will be equal to 2B square. So now from here, where do we go? Because what we have heard about the area of a trapezium is not this. So can we do something? Now here, give it a thought how to go to the standard formula of trapezium. After thinking about it for a little time, I observed. Now if you look at this square, the height of this square is h. And this height is also equal to b because all sides are equal to b. So from here I make an observation that b is equal to h. See, height should be equal to b because one side we have taken as b. So from here I make this observation. Another thing that I observe is that this much is b, and when I showed you that I kept this triangle over the square, then I found that the base of the triangle is also equal to the side of the square, which is b. So I came to know that this much is also b. So if both these are congruent triangles, this also has to be b. So this whole side has to be 3b. And this we can write here b. Okay, now let's try to do some changes in this area which we have found. I have found it to be too 4b square. So can I write it like this? I have multiplied and divided by 2. One thing, that half I can take out, 4b square. Now I can write like this. In place of this b, I can put write h here, which is the height of the trapezium. Now if you observe it, 4b is equal to 3b plus b, half into 3b plus b times h. So 3b plus b, we can say, is the sum of the parallel sides of the trapezium, and h is the height of the trapezium. So we have reached the standard formula of the trapezium, which is half into sum of parallel sides into the height of the trapezium. So I hope you enjoyed this video of mine. In my next video, I am going to prove the area of trapezium by making the trapezium using some other shapes. I am using these shapes from Tangrams, and I have also uploaded another video where I have taught how to make a trapezium. So you can make your own set by watching that video and try to prove area of trapezium in different ways. So thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe if you think it is worth. Goodbye.